Welcome, marketing chefs. I've got something truly special cooking in the Omni-Channel oven today. Why should retailers embrace Omni-Channel shopping? Up next in the Marketing Kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen, the Marketing Kitchen. Hi, I'm Ron Vining, your host of MarketingKitchenTV. Thank you for your question. If you'd like me to answer a question here on MarketingKitchenTV, all you need to do is go to the @MarketingKitchenTV on Twitter, use the hashtag Q&A, and I will answer your questions here. Here's a question asking, multi-channel shopping has become the norm because of smartphones. Which retailers are embracing the omni-channel shopping and why? I love retail questions, and who doesn't like to shop? Which retailers are embracing omni-channel shopping and why? Well, how many hours do you have? I would say that most retailers are embracing omni-channel shopping, and the reason why is because their consumer has become omni-channel. Any brand, whether it's retail, or whether it's a consumer brand, or whether it's B2B brand, you need to understand your customer. You need to understand the channel that your customer is using, and it could be more than one, thus omni-channel. You need to craft a message to reach the customer on the different channels that they may be using. An omni-channel experience understands all of the potential channels that your customer, your target customer, what it is that they use or what they prefer. And then what's smart for your business, of course, because you can't be on every channel, or you may try, but that's probably not a recipe for disaster more so than success. What you do is you choose the best channel based upon customer preference for you to get your message across. And of course, your message could also be products or services, could be value, could be whatever it is that you're potentially offering. The reason why you do it is because that's where they are. If you market elsewhere, you're not going to find them here. That's very important to consider. Some brands that are doing it really well, just name some of your favorite. Apple is a fantastic omni-channel brand. You can go in store and touch all the objects, or you can have a fantastic experience and buy them online. I sometimes will go to the Apple store to look at a new product, but Apple does such a great job with their keynotes where they talk about and demonstrate their device that I really don't need to go to the store. But maybe it's the form factor of a new phone or a new tablet or a new laptop. Maybe I actually want to hold it first because I want to compare one size to another. Or maybe I want to see what the color looks like in person on one versus another. Or maybe I'll go to the physical store, but I probably won't buy it there. I probably will order it online because I like to customize my devices. Of course, this isn't the case so much with the phone or the tablet. I'm talking about a MacBook or a Mac Mini or an iMac, or even the configuration for a particular Apple Watch if they don't have that in the store. One of my favorite omni-channel retailers as well too is Lego. Yeah, I know, I'm an adult. I love Lego. The reason I love Lego is it's a great way to unlock one's creativity. What's really cool about Lego is they understand their customers. They understand their customers are on different channels. They utilize all of those channels to reach out to them. Channels for Lego: physical retail store, channel theme park. Another channel is their website. Other channels are books, magazines, video games, TV shows, feature films. Lego reaches out to their customers across a whole plethora of media or mediums. By doing so, they expand the brand from just being toy bricks that only a child may be engaged with to having somebody like an adult be interested in playing with. Lego has also done some cool programs in education, both for school age as well as for corporate. They have a program called Lego Serious Play. They are a fantastic omni-channel retailer in that they understand their customer segmentation and different channels to be able to reach out to or expand in that segmentation. Those are just two examples, Lego and Apple, but there are many more. Omni-channel is where it's at. When you are offering an omni-channel experience, you want to make that experience seamless. There's so much more I could say on that, but I try to keep the videos to a certain time limit. If you want to follow up and ask me another question, you can do so at @MarketingKitchenTV on Twitter and with the hashtag Q&A. Thanks for that question. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Remember, there's always fresh content simmering on our storytelling stovetop. So whatever happens in this kitchen shouldn't stay in this marketing kitchen. I'm Ron Vining, your host, reminding you to invite your family and friends to the next episode of Marketing Kitchen TV.